Hello lovely people! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Rina. So today guys, I'm going to show you B&M, Zara, Home Bargains, and Primark, and Amazon. I have Amazon also. So I show you what I purchased. Actually guys, I'm very proud of myself because I shop so much less now. In Zara, they have so many sale dresses, tops, trousers, so many nice items, so many nice guys, but I control myself and I didn't purchase any. I purchased only two this time, but the prices, tomorrow I'll be going to Zara tomorrow and I hope I don't see the dress that I might buy, because if it's not there, at least I save money, but if it's there, I'm sure I will grab it again. So anyway, I control myself, so we have less shopping now. Okay, I show you the first dress. So this one, I tried it on already and I like it, and it's comfy. You know, I'm really into comfy now. So this is just a very basic, but it's 70 pound. 70 pound, but I didn't, you know me, I don't buy full price. So I bought it 18 pound only. So imagine guys, look, 70%. So okay, 60. It's 60 pound actually. 60 pound and 70% off. So I bought 80 and it's just like this. You know, like that. And I like the length. It's just enough for me like that. Just a little bit sexy in here, but I will just put tape on it in the side like that. But it's really comfy and it's easy to put on. Yeah, because sometimes the dresses, I remember now, the dresses that I normally purchase are like very tight and it's very hard to remove. This one is another one. It's a little bit hard to remove. It's easy to put on, a bit hard to remove it, but it's so cheap guys. I'm thinking to okay, it's 36 pound. Yeah, and it's 80%, 70% also. So I purchased it like 10, compute it like that, 10 pound or 11 pound. Anyway, so look at that. I like the length also of this. So it's like that. Yeah, it's nice length for me because I'm just 5 feet. But this one, a little bit sexy when you put on. It's like, because it's like open, become like that, yeah. But still it's okay. A little bit open in the breast, but I will just do something. It's not so much sexy, but maybe for something it's a bit, but I think it will be fine. It's actually comfy when you put it on. Just when you remove it, especially I don't like my makeup to put, you know, it's white, so I don't like my makeup. That is why it's hard. But if you don't have makeup, it's easy to remove anyway. And this is, yeah, okay. Sell. So many sell in Zara. Let's try now my Amazon. Oh, okay. I purchased another garment steamer because last time the one I purchased is like for traveling. So this one is for the house. I hope it's good, because really I have problem with my iron now. It's like when I iron, sometimes there's like some dirt that is, you know, going out. That's why I need another one. I purchased it like 20 something, 22 pound, like that. Yeah. Okay, this is actually, I think this is better. Oh, digital like that. Press it on here. You can see it's digital and water. Oh, okay, it's but the water is not so much, yeah. So it means I cannot really put too much. Like that. Alright, and there's a free, what is that for your hand? Yeah, laundry, like that, and then changes. Alright, so I guess I'm going to use it because my clothes is wrinkled. I will try it later. So this one is nice. And the oh my god, I don't know if I can show it here. This is a bread knife. Yeah, I cannot show you so much, but I need a bread knife. It's because I don't have here, and at the same time I went to Morrison's and they have 3 pound, and this is 8 pound, but this one is just 4 pound, like 3.99, 3.80 pound. That's why I said okay, I just buy in Amazon, you know, 50%. And then okay, this one is battery, because I purchased rechargeable battery. Oh, okay, I hope it's not damaged. It's like not closed properly. So I have AAA and AA, this one. So I just charge and then you can use it again. I think it's so better. And then this one, lens protector. Yeah, because my phone is like, the lens is, what do you call this one? It's broken. But I'm so happy because, you know, my phones, even if I will drop them, it didn't have any like damage. So I'm very, very thankful, because many times I drop my phone. Many times, guys. Okay, so it's like this for the lens. Yeah. And I think I need also to change again the screen protector again, because I don't like it when there's a crack. Even it's okay, but yeah, this one from Amazon, because I don't know why I cannot find it in the shops, or I don't know, maybe in the shop it's cheaper. Yeah. Okay, and oh my god, guys, this is in B&M. Look at this, is really cheap. I'm not planning to buy it, but when I saw the price, I said, oh, it's good for actually gift, or like every December we need to donate in school for Christmas bazaar. And this is a good donation because it's so cheap. It is originally $12.99, you can see, but £1 now. Look, I $12.99, and then the price now is £1. £1 each. So yeah, I'm going to give it to someone if I know that they like this thing, but if they don't like, I will just donate it for Christmas bazaar. Yeah, very affordable, guys. That's why I'm tempted when it's cheap. For those who are new to my channel, just that is my temptation that I'm trying to overcome. Okay, I have the receipt here. Oh, okay. Yeah, because I bought also power bank of Philips. You know, I have many power bank here, and I have many power bank here, and I hope this one is good. This is £10. Yeah, normally I will buy in Amazon, but I prefer this is because the one that in Amazon is like they have already ready one wire, and then when I'm filming outside, I just want to put the power bank in my pocket and then film. But that one is like, it's really like, you know, the wire is a bit shorter, so you need to put it near to your phone, and it's heavy. So I just need to, I prefer this one, the older way, you know. So yeah, £10. And then this is, where is it? Where is the pen? This is with the pen. Oh yeah. Oh my god, is it? I purchased it because of the pen. Oh no. Wait, guys. Wait. Because this is sale also. Yeah. Wait, let me check it. Oh my god, it's not really here. That's too bad. I'm so sad now, actually. Because you know what? This one is £6, and it's just £1 I purchased. £1? Let me double check. 150. Wait. Flex notebook. Notebook. Yeah, pen. There's no pen anymore. I think when I think it fall off and I didn't. It's 150 from 6 pounds, so still it's good. And then there's keyring. Yeah, it's okay. Never mind. I'm just sad. Maybe it's here because I shopped together with this. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully. Oh, okay, I have nuts here. I didn't realize. Yeah, last night I'm craving for a nuts, and I have nuts here, chili nuts from Home Bargains. Oh, I didn't know. Really, last night I said, oh, where's my nuts? Where's walnut? Any nut I need. Okay. Then crayons, because I like to, when like therapy, I like to draw like that or colored. Oh, this one, 50 pence only. I will give it also stamp cookie. I will give it also, donate also for the, let's remove the 50 pence. I want to donate it for the Christmas bazaar, which is so long. I will just keep it here. I'm like that, you know. Ah, this is in Primark. Why it's here? So in Primark, this is 3 pound, but I purchased it 1 pound. It's a highlighter. I always need office supplies because I'm coloring, writing. When I'm thinking of something, I just want to write it. So even though I have laptop, I will put it in the laptop and then write again like that. Oh my god, it's all my ideas is like in the notebook, the paper, and the laptop, and in my phone. It's really crazy. And then this one is from Home Bar. Oh, okay, from B&M. I'm just so sad that I lost the pen of this, because the pen of this actually is very cute. So how is it possible? Maybe when I grab it, or maybe the pen is with the other notebook and then I grab this, that somebody get already the pen. Oh, I'm so sad. I'm so sad for this pen. Oh my god, what happened to my roller? So this is a roller, 1 pound, flexi roller. Oh, it's really flexi. It's really flexi. Okay, so this is pens again from Primark, 2 pound, but this is 350. You know, I always like cute pens when I'm writing. It's really cute. And then, you know, I have here boots that I want to return in Primark, but I cannot find the receipt. It's too bad. So this one, avocado facial mask. It's so bad because I want to return it and I don't know where is the receipt. And it's 10 pound boots. Okay, so next, oh, this card, Happy Valentine's Day. Just so cheap. It's 49 pence. Normally cards are like 1 pound or 79. Actually, I have already here Valentine's card, but when I saw this, I said, oh, okay, this is so cheap. Oh, okay, we're the perfect match. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. We're the perfect match, like that. So I said, okay, I'll just buy this and use the other card next year, because they don't have always like cheap card. Yeah, I mean like this 49 pence. It's not always. Message inside. Happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, like that. So every time I can see like a cheaper card, I'll just stack. Because normally I can only see 5 pound, even sometimes 5 pound card, and you know, I don't want to spend that much money. And oh, okay, I have also here, guys, from Ordinary boots. This is mini version, and this is 1740, which is cheaper. And like that. I want to try the Ordinary product. Actually, my skin is used to Garnier. I have good experience with Garnier than CeraVe. Oh, I purchased some lotions and many things in CeraVe, but I will break out. So this is I never tried this actually, so hopefully my skin will be okay with this. And they gave a free what is this, like sponge for this. So hopefully my skin will love the Ordinary products. Yeah, so that's why I want to try it, because I heard many good things about Ordinary product, and it's not so expensive also. Then Primark, guys, laundry bag. I have my laundry bag here from Welco for like 3 years, and now it's not really good anymore. So this one is not so big, but I prefer it like this because I try to do my laundry every other day, you know. And my laundry normally is for my sons, because my sons change clothes like 3 times: uniform, and then house clothes, and then for at night. He doesn't want to, you know, he always want fresh one. So that's why it's mostly for his his laundry. And then this is stationery from Home Bargains. You know what? I feel like Home Bargains is really cheaper compared to other shop. And then their tissue, like this tissue. Yeah, that's why I always prefer to buy in Home Bargains, guys. Okay, I bought a toothbrush for my son. This is from Home Bargains. Actually, he needs to change his toothpaste now. Not coloring pen. And then heat protectant for my hair. But sometimes I forget to put. That's why my hair is a little bit, you know. But I will buy conditioner mask today because I think my hair needs it. And then this one, I just saw it and I said, oh, it's so cute. Let me buy it. And this is $2.99, something like that. I think it's cute. Oh, this is in Primark, £3 stationery set, because I really love writing, guys. I'm like a old school person. Yeah. Oh, it's so cute, with eraser, with notepad. Oh, they have ruler also. She's nice. I'm just so sad about my pen for this other one still, you know. Because it's like that, look here, and then fall off. Too bad. Oh, I purchased this from Primark. Underwear. And then this is from Morrison. Oh, I have this because in Morrison's I purchased like food, so just this one is not food. And then this is from Home Bargains because it's cheaper in Home Bargains than in Boots. And in Sainsbury's it's $2.50, but it's just £180 in Home Bargains. And then Primark lavender. I like to put it in my what do you call this one? In my I think I lost something. Okay, in my closet. And then for the bean, and then another one because it's cheaper, Pronamel for my son. And then I bought umbrella from Primark. It's just $4.50. I have umbrella here, but I need extra for someone. And then 50 pence like that, just for the toilet. So that's it, guys. I'm done, so I need to go now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy. Really, oh god, this is so cute. Too bad I don't have the pen, because you know normally it's £6. Yeah. I really doesn't like it when I lost something. Okay, guys, so I need to be more careful next time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time. Mwah. Bye, guys.